Everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you a nice refreshment mocktail. The mocktail name is Red Bull Passion Mocktail. Please see my video.
Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you a nice mocktail. You can try this mocktail. Okay. First of all, what you will do, you will take a chopping board and you have to slice the lemon. Okay. Okay, just slice the lemon for the garnish. You can use for the garnish, and one more slices you have to pour inside the glasses. Okay, this one will just keep aside. How to make that actually? Okay, how to make that mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass and you have to pour ice cubes into the shaker glass. Then you have to squeeze on fresh lemon. Okay, after that you have to pour 120 ml of apple juice. You have to pour 120 ml of apple juice. After that you have to pour, this is the Red Bull syrup, you have to pour 30 ml of Red Bull syrup. After that, just take all the ingredients, very simple mocktail. Then you have to take a hurricane glass and pour all the mixture into the hurricane glass. Then simply what you will do, just fill the mocktail with Red Bull. You can pour on lime slices and this is very refreshment mocktail. You can garnish the mocktail with lime slices, then serve with straw and stirrer. See, your refreshment mocktail is ready. Yes. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you, enjoy the drinks.